Come with us to work tonight. We performing for 42 Doug. So yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all how the night goes. Okay, this is how much I made.
You know
how much do y'all?
And it ain't what you think.
How much do y'all think this is?
Hey guys, it's me. If y'all don't know who I am, take a guess. She's counting her money. If you guys guess how much money what the fuck? How much money she has, I'll cash up you in the comments.
Love the crisp one. Okay, so that's 300.
She's still going.
Fine.
None of you little bitches is getting a cash up because I won.
Mine's 451. This is how much she made, and I'm thinking it's like 350. If I'm right, I get head. She made 326, so basically I was right.
Babe, you trying to make macaroni and cheese noises later?
Macaroni and cheese noises? You want to make some right now?
How much am I at?
You have 10 more seconds.
Hey, I love your shirt.
Thank you.
Hey, I love your shirt.
Thank you.
Shut your dumb ass up.
Mom!
What is it?
You know your bun is flat.
Your ass gonna be flat when I whoop you.
Well, Mom, you always told us to tell the truth.
Get out of my room.
Attention. I am looking for a sugar daddy. 603.
Интересненько. Стой.
Ты сумасшедший, пожалуйста.
Сумасшедший. Стой, почему я сумасшедший? Стоп, Саша. Все, успокаиваюсь.
Нервы.
Ai, bichotazo! 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 Bichotazo!
Cheating prank on my boyfriend.
What's up?
Oh my god, my wife is gonna be so mad that
Don't worry about him. Don't worry about him. It's fine. It's good.
Dang.
Okay, I see what's going on! You are drinking! Whoa!
Ain't nobody actually do all that.
It hurts. Can I get up now?
Mm-hmm.
I'm stressed to work.
Oh my god. Oh.
Alrighty, so kiss or slap?
No English. Tagalog lang.
For sure. Halik or sampal?
Sampal.
Huh? Putang ina. Halik or sampal?
Halik.
Halik?
Mocha.
Muka. Joke lang, sini ka.
GameStop dumpster diving.
Dumpster diving.
Dumpster diving?
Yes,
Get out the stir. What the heck is... That's a PS4!
my god. Yo, they just threw up a PS5. And they sick as up.
Excuse me? Hi. Can I get a ho yeah?
Oh, yeah.
A little bit sexier?
No.
Can I get a ho yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah! Sir, can I get a ho yeah? You cannot. Can I get a ho yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Can I get a ho yeah?
Oh yeah.
Can I get a ho yeah?
Oh yeah.
Can I get a ho yeah?
Hell no.
Sir, can I get a ho yeah?
Oh yeah.
Oh. Can I get a ho yeah?
Shoot you.
Shoot ya. Can I get a ho yeah?
Fuck away from me.
Hey. What are you doing, dude? What are you doing?
Put the egg in the bottle.
There's
bro.
no way. It's
Yeah, it is.
impossible.
Watch.
The egg is too
3,
big. It's too
2, 1.
Are you?
Are you kidding me, honey? Are you kidding me? Give me a towel. Give me a towel.
Yeah.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Why are you doing this?
Whoa,
Your false teeth.
get him.
I don't want to touch some things.
Come on, help me. If I get...
Wait. She got him.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh, I wouldn't touch those. She eats like rice pudding with those things.
Thank you.
It's really nasty.
Oh, thank you.
Put those in your teeth so they don't get lost. Yeah, Grandma, I think I might have a carrot stuck in me, but I don't know for sure.
Oh, for Pete's sake. What do you mean, stuck in you? Can we find this puzzle?
No, Grandma, you won't be alive long enough to even finish it.
Oh, thanks a lot.